UFC fighter.
Ah,
I think I would
the
spend the
Brazilian
night
guy.
to Jose Aldo.
The Brazilian guy.
Yeah. Because of this. He came from just like me. Just like me.
Ganun pa rin siya sa
Drugs pala. Drugs pala, right. Drugs tapos B.
Right?
On the way there.
All the way there. All the way to my success.
Yeah.
Because I want to learn Muay Thai.
Ah, okay. So
Because,
it's all about the
because
sport.
it's my idol in UFC. Just I want to gain something more than him. I want to be not to be a fighter, but I think I want to gain his fighting style
Mhm.
for my self confidence, what do you call this?
Defense.
Self defense. And the second, actually, I have two. And the second one is Stephen Covey, the author of Seven Habits. I want to learn more about his life. Why who is Stephen Covey? I want to learn more from him.
You know what? Let me just say something. It's nice because